Hello, guys. So today the open is not very, we can say, ideal. So we are still waiting for any trade. Damn, I wanted to enter here and it just slipped. I tried long here. Now here, not every confluence was there, but the body of this candle and shape of this candle convinced me to get into this trade, and I did. Luckily, I won. So this is our reference area, and this was the first move, but I just wasn't convinced because it didn't close any above any structure. So I didn't enter into a long trade in this move and didn't enter on this trade on this move down in short trade because the structure was here. Now this move, if we say this is the structure, and now if it comes down, then we'll see continuation downward trades. But actually, no, right now we are not looking for continuation trades, we are looking for reversal trade. So this would be a reversal trade towards here, and let's see what happens. Now we are waiting essentially for any structure break. If the price continues upwards and then tries to come down back to its back to this reference level, you might be looking at this horizontal line I have drawn. This was a news candle. News candle open. You can put it here, closing. If we consider this candle, this prior candle, prior 1 minute candle to the news, this also is our reference level because at the news price shot up in a very quick upward, in a very quick way upward. So we can consider now this reference level, news candle, news reference level, and the new 930 open reference level are relatively closer to each other. So uh, what was the topic I was discussing? Yeah, the news reference level and the 930 open reference level price is in between of those, and tapped both of these after moving away from it. Moved away, came back, moved away, tapped this news reference level, coming back. This I can try. Ah, I got late. Yeah, that's a loss. That wasn't an ideal trade, but that's a part of this game. Now look at yesterday's price action. Price came down in first 10 minutes, then started upward, and the volume kept dropping. Today, the price is doing, at least for now, it's looking like it's doing the same thing. Volume up at the open, and after that, price is, don't know what it will do. Looking at the structure, I am willing to buy at the close if candle close in a good shape. Now, now, see that? Just like yesterday, it's not willing to give us retail traders any kind of ideal or good entries. I'm favoring the continuation here. I'm long.
लाइव स्ट्रीम में आपका टाइम नजर नहीं आ रहा ट्रेडिंग व्यू का वो नीचे वाला पोर्शन
Okay, another loss. So till now we took three trades. Two of those are losses, and one was winning. So from our this reference level, price has moved considerably far away from that. So now we will be looking for shorts if it gives us an opportunity to short. We have no more considerable news today. So let's see what we can do here. If it closes like this, that will be a valid short. But first we have to wait for the candle close. Now closed above this structure bottom. Look at this. This was our structure. If it would have closed down, that would have been a valid shot, but not yet. Now the complexity is here that this was our structure, and price came down here, closed above, didn't break down the structure, didn't close below the structure, and made a pullback. Now for us, this is our new structure low. And if market kept coming down in this fashion without closing below any structure, then it's a wise decision to stay away from this kind of price action. Because in short, that means retail traders will lose money. See that even on 5-minute time frame, volume is dropping, price going upwards, but without leaving any gaps. That means today is gonna be yet another messy day. Well, from now on, this is our range. We, we generally call this as trading range. This might come down, wick down, come back, stay in this range. And this approach is not suitable for a range trading. To more to more of extent, but not just literally. Now here you can say for some ICT traded guys, let's see if this is a liquidity grab, plus it's a new 4-hour candle open. Let me show you here. See this, price came down, considering this an order block, breaker block, sorry, price closed above. So technically on a 4-hour time frame we are bullish, plus also we are coming back from this prior order block too. So let's see what happens. Waiting for this level. Price may not come down here soon and may play with this reference level up prior to the news. For now I'm placing it here and keeping it. does the 15-minute candle look? Yeah, obviously it looks like we are in a bullish model, but let's see if we get an opportunity. Just to stay level headed, I want to remind that not every day is a trading day, not every day is a winning day, and not every day is an execution day. Some days you might even don't get a chance to enter into a trade because you're following your rules, and some days your rules don't allow you to enter into a trade because the price action doesn't happen in a specific way to give you an opportunity to enter into a trade. So today we got some chances to enter. So till now we lost 2, win 1. Let's see what happens next. 34 minutes already passed the open. Okay, finally some movement happening. If this closes down here, which doesn't look like, I will take the short trade. No, see, when the price moves in a slower fashion, breaking the that structure that we as a trader are looking for our confirmation for entry, the probabilities get less for that trade to win. At least that's my observation or experience, whatever you can say. But still, anyway, I'll enter if the price closes below. See, wicking, wick here, wick here. Yes, entered short here. No, loss. What I told you. Anyways, at least this was valid shot. I have one more trade left for today. Because my daily risk won't allow me further unless the next trade would be a winning trade. Targeting this reference level seems tempting. We'll see. I'll enter short again if it closes like this. Okay, the actual target hit. Let's see how further it goes. Okay, entering again. Lost. No. Yes, that's it for me. See you tomorrow. So, following the rules, this was a winning trade. We lost one. We won this first trade. We lost second, third, fourth, and fifth was one. So we lost three trades and won two trades. 1.5 into 2 is 3, and we lost 3. So technically, we are a break even today. Let's see what happens tomorrow. See you guys. Bye bye. Be safe. Trade responsibly.